Hi, Kurt Hall, Design and Engineering Manager for Redline Bicycles. We're here at Interbike 2013. Really excited to show you all our new mountain bike products. Let's get started right over here. First bike I want to show you is our D880. It's our brand new suspension bike for this year. It's basically a cross-country trail bike, 29er, 110 millimeters of travel in the rear, 100 up front, full Fox suspension components, Kashima coated, full CTD on both. Our binary link suspension is what makes this bike good. It's the best of the single pivot design with the bad stuff of the single pivot removed. Our instantaneous center with our two-link design here starts in the chain ring position, and as you go through the travel it stays in that position, moves very little. So anytime you want to get on the pedals, it's there. You have no bob at all anytime you're in the suspension travel. Gives us the ability to have a closed rear triangle here to keep your ride nice and stiff. You don't have to worry about any pivots in the back loosening up, causing some brake jack. Everything's great. We get a very linear shock path. You're going to have great wear on your shock. You're going to have to replace less, and it's going to give you a predictable path every time you're on it. The 880 is an XT build with Shadow Plus, Ice Tech on the brakes, so you're going to have great braking power, great shifting, no chain slap going on. FSA afterburner cockpit, Novatex Flowtail 29s, super lightweight 29er wheel set, really burly, very stiff. The engagement on the rear hub is excellent. This bike's 3749. We had great feedback at Dirt Demo. Dealers were loving it. Everybody was loving it. Get your hands on it. Check it out at redlinebicycles.com. The second model in Redline's suspension platform is the 860. This is the same frame that you get on your 880 with the same binary link suspension. Again, super pedal efficient bike. Difference here is spec level. This is your full SLX build with a RockShox Reba and a RockShox Monarch rear shock. XLC Pro components, outfitted with, again, Schwalbe tires, WTB rims, WTB saddle. Again, lower price point, $27.49 here. Same great pedal efficiency bike that you get on the 880, but a little lower price point. Fox CTD up front, 100 millimeters of travel, BB92, 12142 rear, full XT build here with an SLX front, WTB rims, Schwalbe Rocket Ron tires, WTB saddle, FSA afterburner cockpit again. All this for just under $4,000. Another thing about the frame to point out here is internal cable routing on all your shifters. Alloy inserts here that you can pull out, give yourself a little more room. Full access panel underneath, unbolt it. You can actually access the cables so you can get them through nice and easy, so no hard builds for you. On the rear you have an alloy that you can get out of the way too, so the housing will feed through nice and easy for you builders. I want to go over Redline's mono belt for you single speed ball busters out there. Gates carbon drive up front, full chromoly frame. You got a little seat stay lug here to move out of the way if you ever need to change your belt. RockShox Reba up front, 100 millimeters of travel. Our XLC Pro cockpit again. WTB saddle and WTB tires to round it out. Last thing I want to show you is our aluminum 29er hardtail line. We have 4 models here ranging from $1,400 all the way down to $600. What I want to touch on here is the new frame for this year. This frame is fully butted and hydroformed, zero stack headsets, forged dropouts. You get this same race ready frame all the way down to your $600 model. So a guy could buy a $600 bike, do a few upgrades and be race ready. Removable hardware, full housing on all of it. It's a great value down at $600, and you can get a full rock ready at $1,400. So that'll do it for the mountain bikes here at Redline. Thanks for coming by. Make sure you see the whole line at www.redlinebicycles.com. Now please, leave me alone.